How to download faster on Chrome. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to increase your downloading speed on Chrome browser. After you open the Chrome browser, go to this three dot, go to settings, go to privacy and security. So go to this option security. From this option, now change this one to this one, standard protection. Scroll to down, enable this use secure DNS. Click on this select DNS provider. Now select this one, clean browsing. So that's this one. So the next thing to do, click on this new tab, go to three dot again, go to settings again. So go to performance, scroll to down and enable this memory saver. After you enable this one, so that's this one. So the next thing to do, now click on this option again, privacy and security. Go to this delete browsing data. So from this option, now select all your browsing data, this one. So click on this more and choose all time. So after you choose all time, it will delete your cache, cookies and browsing history. Click on this delete button. So by following this method, you will be able now to increase your downloading speed on your Chrome browser. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.